time of year again.
Alors, on a des jeunes petites filles qui rentrent dans le bubblegum.
La Croisette Food Festival. La Croisette Food Festival. Check it out. Got a huge queue. Oh, because they're doing the fries. Hi. If you follow your nose, you get to meat on fire. Wow. You can smell this from the parking lot. It smells so good. Oh man, that smells good. Yeah, everything is under 300. As you can see, epic. It's gonna be delicious. This is Tom. He's with me. This is kind of rotten. You can see now the pizzas are $2.75. The first time we came to this food festival, they were 100. Wow. More queues because of famous Mauritian grilled chicken. Look at that.
Yes.
Hi. That looks so yummy. Oh, look at the char going on. Woo, smoky. Oh, he's going to baste it up. Can never have too much basting or never too much charring. Oh, check it out, cutting up the chicken. Look at how good that chicken looks. Oh, that's mouth-watering chicken right there. Sorry about the smoke, guys, but you know, where there's fire, there's gonna be smoke.
Madam, you will make them hungry.
Who's gonna be? Yeah. Because you guys don't get to eat it. It's a big problem.
You make them want to eat.
For sure. You gotta get down to La Croisette. Come and eat. Oh man. Yeah, wow. The smell, the vibe, the music, the smoke. Woo. And this to our pool. I imagine it's chicken. Oh, they got a grill going. Let's go check that out. It's gonna contain loud. Oh, look at this. Skewers. Hi. Man, those look amazing. That's like satay. Wow. Yo, that is a feast. Expert grill master. Look at this pile of meats. Look at that. With the char. Oh man, now you can see why everyone's in this queue. Woo! 5 skewers, $2.50, or if you want some fries with it, nah, I think you just get the skewers. You're here for that meat. Yeah. We're gonna come back, but let's do a whole full circuit and check out what's available. Everybody's here. It is so packed and it's literally just opened. Oh, ocean basket. So you got some of the regulars of La Croisette also represented here. Let's see what they got for us. Oh, look at those sushis. Oh, they're splashy flash. Oh my word, that is just like a sea full of sushi boats. Oh wait. It's not just sushi. There's your prices. Look at this. What is that? Spaghetti.
Seafood spaghetti.
Oh, look at, oh my word. And the fish and chips. Wow. And those chips look amazing. Oh wow, yum, yum, yum. What to choose, what to choose.
It's seafood. Prawns, calamari.
Look at it. Look at, oh wow. Woo. Oh, I'm gonna get one of those prawns. My mouth is watering. That's so good. A slight hint of chili, which is amazing. Loads of garlic. The seafood is, I'm just losing my glasses, so soft. Absolutely insanely good.
This looks so
Give it a go. give it a go. It is so good. Helps if you push the start button, Ricky. I can't see a thing because it's so bright. I mean, like, it is that bright. A lot of chili, but wow, nice.
Soft drinks, tout cela seulement à...
And there's even a Subway. Oh my word. I suddenly smelled the lamb when I read the lamb sub. You can actually smell it. They must be cooking the lamb somewhere. Hi! You can smell the lamb. It smells really, really good. Wow. Well, it's like just opened, but it is so busy already. Everybody's clambering for food. I love this. Oh, Indian King. Chicken biryani. Oh, look at that curry. That smells amazing. Really, really delicious smelling. Whoa! Whoa! Please! Children get all the fun, it's not fair. I need to steal a child. Ah. Hello! Where's your friend?
Wait, he's inside.
This is Garfield and Mauritius. Yeah. Garfield and Mauritius. Hi!
Oh, look at that.
Everybody's enjoying the food festival. Nice to see you again, eh? Yeah, for me, the Croisette Food Festival symbolizes the start of summer in Mauritius. It's hot. It's always ridiculously hot, and it's busy.
Tu me poses la
And it's such
question,
a vibe.
la personne, est-ce qu'il y a un peu de petit monde là, hein? Jusqu'à demain, tu...
Ah, boiled noodles. Oh, yum. And some honey puris and some samosas. Look at the boiled noodles. But look at all the toppings. Look at the toppings. My word. That looks like octopus. Oh, it smells like 5 spice and yumminess. Oh, she's adding some more. Help yourself. There's all your different toppings. Look at the choices. Salmi agni, that is absolutely delicious. And that, oh wow. Thai chicken. Amazing. If you're wondering about pani puri at the moment, 100 for 7. Yeah, this is Pomodoro, but don't get excited because the real show is their grill. Come and check out how they grill their burgers. Check this out. Look at this thing. Look at that. Isn't that the Showstopper? That is the most amazing cooker of meat. Hey! In the world. Look at it. Check out that fire. Oh, you know that's going to be good. You know when they say, you know what the Rock is cooking? They mean that.
Yeah.
Some gets a piece to taste. Oh, thank you. Hang on, hang on. Oh, hot dog the grill. Thanks for that. That's so soft. Look at this. I got 2 cameras.
Yeah. This is amazing.
That's really nice and soft. Thank you. Scorching hot dog. Yeah, La Croisette. These guys have some fresh fruit juice. Oh, clouds! It all happens.
Nous avons aussi le Grand Baie pour 275 roupies et Skewered belge à 150 roupies. Et ensuite nous avons le cheese fondu à 150.
They're getting the grills going now, hey. Got our prizes! Nice, let's get some shade now. Please don't be full of chili.
It probably is.
Alors, vous pouvez bien problème pour vos Monsieur Salami, Monsieur Salami, juste à côté avec Subway, bien sûr. Pas oublier Subway aussi, qui fait occasion d'un bonbon.
Double. That's yum. It's got like a curry spice on it. The chicken's really, really soft. And this one is like crispy and slightly sweet and spicy. Really, really good food so far. These lovely ladies are smiling at me. Hello! Have a nice day. Ah, thank you. And here they are, the famous Cozy Burger, all the way from Kirby, Phoenix. And you came and found one. Brilliant. Enjoy. They make the best chicken burger on the island. Yes, I said it. The best chicken burger is from Cozy Burger. And the keys explain it. Look what Tom got.
But that's the good stuff.
Oh. Yeah, I got some curry. Hopefully. Maybe. Thank you. Oh, I don't know if I can carry that with one hand.
Thank you.
Thank you. You don't even need the grills to cook today. Hope you guys can hear me on this thing. I've got the little GoPro. Because my camera actually overheated, would you believe? Cozy Burger. I mean, look at that. Is it even a burger? Wow. These are really good. Go for it, Tom. Go for it. Oh, it looks soft like a Cozy Burger. And yeah, just because this is a mutton Rogan Josh, which looks really good.